I've always gotten a lot of fun out of watching Jeremy DeWitte videos. I had no idea just how famous he really is until I dug a little further. And, I won't go into his past. I wanted to talk about the current pending federal charges against him. So here was a case that's been filed against him in federal court. He failed to show up on April 10th and for an arraignment on April 11th. So the magistrate judge basically is now going to issue a bench warrant for him. They said here that, to Jeremy, you've been indicted, and the indictment right now is sealed, so I can't look at it. And it says the offense is briefly described as follows: filing false tax returns for years 2017-18 in violation of section 72061, 26 USC 7206, declaration or penalties of perjury, which of course all tax returns are, willfully, so that's an intent, makes and subscribes any return statement or other documents contains or is verified by a written declaration it's made under penalties of perjury, and which he does not believe to be true and correct as to every material matter, shall be guilty of a felony, and upon conviction fined not more than 100 grand, unless it's a company, or imprisoned not more than 3 years or both, together with the cost of prosecution. So he's facing a maximum of 6 years and a couple $100,000, unless, a corporation's involved. Although it says it's in his name individually, but I don't know really how that plays out right now, if it's a company that he formed. But anyway, yeah, this is definitely very serious. This right here was a habeas petition that I've never seen before. Pro se quendam. Writ of habeas corpus ad pro se quendam. Wow, that sounds pretty impressive. And it says that any U.S. Marshal can go to the county jail, take him into custody, and bring him in front of a federal judge. It says, on March 27th, the grand jury in this district indicted DeWitte on 2 counts of filing false tax returns. On April 2nd, a notice of hearing was issued setting DeWitte's arraignment and appearance, which he did not appear. So 2 counts of filing false tax returns. And then a bench warrant was issued on April 11th. And then they said that he's subject to several state prosecutions. And there's 2 trials scheduled on August 19th, with another trial on September 24th. So basically, this case seems to be on hold now. So there you have it. He's really entangled in quite a mess now, because the IRS is a very worthy adversary. It's something that you would never want to mess with. It's always safer just to pay the tax and just pay the tax. You always just make peace with the IRS.